What's up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and today we're here at Cypress Cars and Coffee for another event up here. Always a good one, never disappoints, and there's a lot of cool cars here that we saw when we were rolling in. So without further ado, remember, check out shopcarsacrosstexas.com, ends with 20% off, get you a shirt, whatever. Support the channel a little bit there, leave me a like, comment. It's free to support the channel, but let's get right into the action. All right, so we got the 66 ZR1 here, the old Impala. Hold on, I gotta get the neon. We can't ignore the neon. Hold on. What a beautiful thing. His seats look like the floor of Chuck E. Cheese. And we got a C5Z rolling in, looking pretty tasty. Oh, he's got the puppy. Oh my goodness. I think sounds pretty good. Okay, back to what we were talking about. We got the old Impala, aka the 66 ZR1 here. What's up, dude? How are you? Looking good. The paint's mint. This thing would go for a ton of money at auction, I bet. To the interior as well. You got the baby sitting there, of course. Dad of the year. His little shift knob is way sunken in there. That's kind of funky. And then under the hood, it looks like we got an LS9, at least an LS9 supercharged motor, but pretty sure, I'd assume he has the full LS9 block. And then in front of him, the wide body Supra and Sinclair Photos. Couple GTRs and some Skylines here. There's a little R33 Skyline next to two R35 GTRs. This one pretty clean. I like these wheels. And then the founder of Cypress Cars and Coffee's GTR right there. Those wheels are sick though. Little old Datsun Fairlady Z looking good. I like this color. And then the carbon fiber hood's a nice little touch. Next to the Cobra. I always love seeing the side pipes on these, like the long tubes coming out the side and everything. He's got the hood pop this time. Look at that. Beauty. We got the couple from Sin City. We got Nikki's Evo here. Next to their freshly completed and back on the road Twin Turbo Hellcat Charger. This car has been down for like 3 years at this point, and they finally got it back up and running. They've had issues every step of the way with all the dealers that they've had to deal with, but it's finally back out, and I think it makes something around 1,050 horsepower to the tires. And it's looking good. I really do like the gold powder coated accents with like the intake manifold here and the intercooler down here. It's kind of a cool little touch. We got Max's twin turbo Camaro here looking good. I love this color. This color's so nice. The Z01 back here sounded pretty good. But fast boys out here today. What should you take? You take the twin turbo 5th gen Camaro or the twin turbo Hellcat? I was like, all right. The Camaro? Okay, I'll take Jake's Hellcat. Jake, I got you. I'll show you love. Is this a Coyote Swap New Edge? Hell yeah. Coyote Swap New Edge. That's why you got the 5.0 badges on there. That's cool. Love to see it, man. Oh, it's a Bullet on top of it. Then you got a Viper down there. It looks like a Gen 2. Oh, a boosted Gen 2 Viper. Listen to the glorious sounds of a Paxton supercharged Gen 2 Viper. Oh, hell yeah. Too much horsepower. There's no such thing, brother. We got the Kennebell blown GT500. I always think Kennebell superchargers are like the craziest looking. Like, look at this. It's so menacing. It's a crazy look. And they also sound pretty crazy. Oh, the 812 Super Duper Fast just left. And a V6 Mustang with a pretty terrible wing. But next up we got the orange Challenger here, supercharged. Right here. Little Vortec blower. Yes, sir. I bet this thing scoots and boogies, and it looks like you've got a 426 under the hood as well with the Lambo doors, of course. Next up behind him, we have the Sublime Hellcat Challenger. And then a couple classics. Chevelle SS. Sorry, boys, I'm blanking. And I'm blanking again. Oh, I can cheat on this one. Oldsmobile. There we go. We get the 454 Chevelle SS out here looking pretty damn perfect, man. I think it'd be so sick to get a classic one day, do like a big cubic inch build on it, make like 600, 700 horsepower or something like that, and just keep it a nice cruiser. But then on to the next one, we have the orange, the Go Mango, I believe, Hellcat Red Eye with the carbon fiber vinyl stripes. Looking good. Of course, you gotta get the wide body when you go Hellcat. And then last but not least on this row, we have a Grabber Blue GT500, the best color for the SY97 Mustang. No, we got here kinda late and all the cars are leaving, my favorite. Oh my goodness, it's so perfect. The Gen 5 ACR. Oh, it's so nice. And then the GT2 RS over here about to leave as well. Woo! This thing sounds good. That GT. All right, a couple more cars before we go get the people leaving. We got a white 488 Pista here on the carbon fiber wheels. We got the crazy green 488 Pista here, also on the carbon wheels, looking extra crazy. And then also owned by the same guy as the green Pista, we have the Viola, I think it's Viola, like, oh, it's Viola Hong Kong. That's what this color is. And the 812 GTS, you got the drop top yellow accents and everything. This color is also just absolutely insane. Yellow interior with the racing seats, and we gotta run. We got a couple cars rolling out. GT2 RS, GT500, Viper ACR. So we got the McLaren MP412C here, looking good with the silver red brakes and everything. But an interesting thing to note about this car is he has taken these seats out of a McLaren Senna and put them in his 12C. It's quite baller. And then the 488 Pista starting up. Walk down the rest of the cars real quick before all the rest of them start rolling out. We got the Huracan Performante here, probably twin turbo. He's, yeah, underground racing right there. And this is Kelly Bice. So this probably makes like 2,000 horsepower. Then you got the C63 convertible, the Guards Red GT3, and the homie down here in his 9-liter stroker, Viper. Oh, wait, this isn't who I think it is. But still, a very clean yellow and black Viper GTS. Oh, we got the FType R rolling out. I want to hear these glorious exhaust notes. I think this is a Polaris Slingshot that's now 4-wheel drive. All right, GTO rolling out, man. Do some goat magic for your boy. We got Max in the Twin Turbo Camaro. Max, you crazy man. That sounded so good. Rusted out Datsun pulling in. The barn find baby. That 300ZX is on a tire, baby. Oh, the garbage truck sent it for the boys. Then an RCF. The Fast and Furious styled Veilside Supra thingy is coming out. Scat Pack Carter's gonna send it for the boys. He's gonna air out first though. The Honey Mustard Land Cruiser. Supra getting a little sketchy too. Oh my God, brother. It's perfect. It is perfect. C5Z with the cute puppy in it. Supercharged Gen 2. This thing's pretty clean. That's how you do any JDM car properly. AJ, we need that near car. Yes. We got the hazmat boys rolling up there. We're gonna die. All right, we'll see you later. We've effectively stayed here long enough to watch the Huracan leave, that the event owner is leaving now.
Kelly's gotta leave on his own time.
Right? We'll see you later. I do like these wheels a whole lot as well. The GTRs of today have had some very nice wheels. That's not a disappointment. That was well worth it.